Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Volkswagen Tiguan and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove any remaining contaminants from the lens, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. So just apply slip solution to the entire lens. Grab a clean microfiber towel and start removing all the contaminants that the taillight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So we're going to start with piece number 1. So since we're doing the driver's side section of the vehicle, it is going to be this piece right here. This one covers this section here. Okay, so all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And something to keep in mind when you're doing the installation for this one, when you look at the taillight lens, the film only covers the red section or the red reflector of the taillight. Since the top and the edge here is already blacked out, we are not covering that section. But keep in mind, though, at least for the taillight lens, for this one and this one, the red reflector goes a little bit higher up to around the body line here. So the film does cover up until the body line of the taillight lens. So when you do the alignment, make sure you're covering from the top, just like that. So right at the body line. So have it on the body line and then align it on this side too as well. So it should be like this. Once you have it aligned, carefully lift it, apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. Grab your squeegee, hold it down and secure it. Remove all of the solution from underneath the film. Once you secure it, we could start slowly working our way to the other end. So little by little start securing it, and just make sure to lift the film and align it to the design of the taillight. So you might need to stretch it just a little bit to help remove any fingers that you may encounter here. So just a light stretch like this. You don't need to stretch it up to the edge, it's more of just stretching it up until where you're making sure you cover the red reflector and you help remove the fingers that we have here. So right here should be good. We could be able to manage to break down this finger here. So just tack down, make sure you're holding the film, make sure the red section on the top is covered as well, and that's pretty much it. Remove all the solution from underneath the film, and if you do happen to have any fingers around this area here, just apply tack solution, grab a heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat around the area you see the fingers, and use the lowest setting on your device, that way we don't burn the film. Once you finish applying heat, just come with your microfiber towel and help it tack down. And just inspect the entire film. If you do see any more fingers, just apply heat wherever you see the fingers and then tag them down with your microfiber towel. Okay, and then once you remove all of the fingers, just start sealing the entire film. That way the film doesn't lift over time. So to seal it, just apply tack solution all around the edges. Heat gun, apply heat throughout the entire edge, microfiber towel to start sealing everything. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece of the taillight. So with this one, same process as how we did it with the first piece over there. The only difference is, since it is a flat surface, we don't need to worry about doing the stretch due to the curve here. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And then just make sure you're covering the top section here where the body line is, because there is the red reflector on that area and align it from the edge here. So make sure to align right on the edge. Grab your tack solution and start tacking it down. That way it stays secured. So remove all the solution underneath the film. Make sure you don't leave any bubbles. And then just go ahead and start lifting and adjusting the film, aligning it to the body line. So once you see you're covering everything, hold it in position and just work your way to this end here. This one's pretty simple. It's just more making sure everything stays aligned on the top. We're only covering the face, not the black part here. And that's pretty much it. And then you would just do the same process after you remove all the solution underneath the film. Seal the edges, that way it doesn't lift over time, because right now it's lifting or it's not tacked down completely. So once you finish removing the solution, seal everything. And then once we're done with the installation, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. And we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film as we're applying heat with our heat gun or hair dryer. So you could use the lowest setting on your device. Just make sure to apply heat evenly. Also, you can use the highest. Just make sure not to focus on one area for too long, because you may accidentally burn the film. So whatever you feel more comfortable with. So apply heat evenly, help the film tack down, and help the adhesive act very faster. And then once we're done with this step, we're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the Volkswagen Tiguan. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.